Sigawan mo, sis Lo, sigawan mo para pumunta dito. Tapos ka na mag-LS, sis Kat? Nag-LS ba si sis Kat? Si sis Lori? Ay, si sis Katya? O, lolo, sorry naman. Nandun ako kay... Hello everyone, I am Leilani and I am the Queen of Spain. I was Queen of the Philippines but they kicked me out for drinking too much cider. Hey Jamie, keep quiet. Sis Katya, tusok ateng. Salamat sa tusok, sis Kat. Tapos na ako mag-live 1 minute, sis Lo. Ala, nag-live ka talaga, sis Kat. Uy, sorry naman. You see, Linta, Jamie is joking here. Your brother Jamie is joking here. He was saying that I am the Queen of Spain and I was the Queen of the Philippines, but they kicked me out. Oh my God. Sis Lor, ayan. Sis Carol Channel, ayan. Na ano ko nakabsat, kabsat sa Lidumay, na-play ko na yung long video mo, yung 30 minutes. Tinisin ko nga yung eyeglass ko, hindi ko na makita yung viewers ko. Nasabi ni Kabsat Rachel. Yes, you are our queen. Wow, thank you so much, dear Linta. Thank you, thank you. Ay, Jamie is in the house. Ayan. Jamie, meet my sisters, Katya Life in Lebanon, and Kulasa Mix Vlog. They are amazing. They are amazing sisters. Hi. Kind-hearted queen. Wow, thank you so much, dear Linta. You are amazing. You are lovely too, as Jamie said. Una nakita ko yung pasaway. Ay, nako, bahala ka dyan, admin. Sawayin mo kung ayaw mo siyang makita. Jay, mungisa niya. Ay, nako po. Mungi talaga. Ay, nako. Ito yung pasaway na admin. Thank you so much, dear Linta and Jamie, for making me laugh this afternoon. You are kind brother and sister, and thank you so much for your big support. I really appreciate you guys, and all of you who are present this afternoon. Thank you so much. Ayan, mabubul na naman tayo sa Inglisan. Hello everyone, I am lovely Leilani. My voice is outstanding. Leia Salonga has nothing. Hey, don't say that, Jamie. Don't say that. That's our secret, you know. You know, guys, Jamie Harding, his favorite Filipina singer is Leia Salonga. So he's comparing me to Leia Salonga's voice. Oh my God. Ganda ng ipin ko, admin. Ikaw ala ipin. Sabi niya, Miss Kulasa. Ayan, ako, may ka Miss Kulasa siya. Tinanong ko ba, ba't siya? Manny Pacquiao is grade 2. Yeah, but sadly, his mother died, I think, last week. He's a great boxer, you know. He is one of the Filipino pride. Manny Pacquiao. And Jamie, remember Efren Bata, the billiard player? Gusto ko itanong mo, Mungi. Ano ba yung itatanong mo, Mungi? Gusto ko itanong mo, Mungi. Nag-play ako sa iyo, host, ha? Uy, salamat naman, admin. Yung mga short videos lang, ha? Huwag mong i-play yung mga hahaba ka. Kawawa ka naman. Huwag mo masyadong i-play yung mga mahahaba.